How to download DataCamp on Android devices. Are you guys facing issues to download DataCamp app on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, look at the top of your screen where you will be able to view the search icon. Just simply tap on it and search for DataCamp. After you search for the DataCamp, click on the second option where you can see this option for DataCamp, Data, AI, and Coding. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to view this option for Install button. Just simply tap on Install. As soon as you click on Install, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, it has been already downloaded on my mobile device. It will take some time. As soon as it gets downloaded, it will appear on your mobile home screen. So as you guys can see, DataCamp has been downloaded. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.